I'm Laurel Elian, and I'm so thrilled to be part of the Two Blondes, the Nancy and Laurel team, because we're passionate people, and we discovered together that we have a lot of opinions and a lot of strong feelings that other people share too, and maybe there's a lot of things that people don't talk about. And I've been on a self-healing journey for many years. I've come from a varied background of business and beauty, and today I'm a therapist and a business coach, which seems like an unlikely combination, but everything in my life comes back to the mind-body connection, being able to understand what's going on here because it's a reflection and a direct result of what's going on out there, and vice versa. So the beautiful thing about my connection with Nancy is that we've been on similar paths, different parts of the country, different parts of the world, but at heart we're deeply connected. We truly are soul sisters, and we want to connect with our tribe. So we're looking for you out there, and we hope that you like what we present, and always feel like you can email us and leave your comments and share your thoughts and concerns with us. And maybe there's one of those shows that we talk about what it is that is bothering you, or something that you want to learn more about, because we're both very knowledgeable in health and wellness and fitness fields, and for both of us, our spirituality, our body's health and condition, how we live, is really important to us. I'm blessed that I'm on a path to living my passion, in that what I do for a business is how I live. So I really want to be authentic to myself, so that you see that I'm a real person, and I'm just like you. So I hope that we get to spend lots of time together. So I look forward to seeing you on Two Blondes, and hang in there for some of our bombshells.